In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically highlight specific text in Excel. Navigating through Excel can be daunting with its myriad of functions, but automating tasks can save time, and the tips we'll go over will enhance your efficiency with spreadsheets. Let's dive right in. First, begin by opening the Excel file you're working on, which should contain the text you wish to highlight automatically. Take a moment to determine the range of cells you want to focus on. Ensure that you select a range that not only includes cells with existing data, but also extends to blank cells where you may input future data. This will make sure that any new entries containing the specified text also benefit from automatic highlighting. Once you've got your cells selected, check to see if the Home tab at the top of your Excel interface is active. This tab is where you'll find most of the essential formatting tools you need. It's quite convenient because it houses all the styling features that Excel has to offer, allowing you to make your data visually distinctive. Now direct your attention to the Styles section within this Home tab. You'll see a button labeled Conditional Formatting. Go ahead and click on it to open a drop-down menu that offers a variety of options for how you can conditionally style your cells based on different criteria. From this drop-down, look for Highlight Cells Rules. By hovering your mouse over it, you'll unlock a list of additional options. The one we're interested in is Text That Contains. Select this option and you'll see a dialog box appear on your screen. In the dialog box, you'll need to type in the specific text that you wish for Excel to highlight automatically. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Once you've entered the text, look at the second drop-down menu within the same box. This is where you can choose how you want the text to be highlighted. You can pick a format that suits your needs, whether it's a colored fill, bold text, or maybe even a custom color that aligns with your data presentation style. After you've made your selection, just click OK. From this moment on, any cell within your selected range containing the text you've entered will be automatically highlighted. This not only applies to existing entries, but will also work seamlessly with any new data typed into that range. However, there might come a time when you decide to remove this automatic highlighting. Don't worry, that's easy too. All you need to do is select the same range of cells again, head back over to the Conditional Formatting menu and choose Clear Rules. Then simply select Clear Rules from selected cells, and you'll be back to your original format. And there you have it. This simple yet effective method ensures that your desired text stands out, saving you valuable time while enhancing data visibility.